This is the compact powder I am using without the yellow basket because all I need is your trust. So I just put serum and sunscreen. Tignan nyo naman yung pagka-glowy siya but greasy. Ayoko ng ganitong feels lalo na ang init. And I am your trusted person when it comes to skincare. So this is the one I'm using, Bare and Bliss, in the shade of 2 and ganito na siya. Kadami. This is not sponsored. Ubus na. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung palagi kong ginagamit because this one is SPF 25 PA++. Here you go. O, diba? Nawawala yung pagka-greasy niya. Wait lang, lagay ko lahat. Yung half lang lalagyan natin para makita ninyo ang difference. Para to sa mga oily, combination skin, or ayaw ng greasy, pero kailangan at gustong maglagay ng sunscreen. Serum and sunscreen. This one, serum, sunscreen, and